Everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to buy or how to purchase credits on Kling AI image and video editor. So first of all, you need to create your account. Once you create your account, you will receive 166 bonus credit. So then if you want to purchase or buy more credit, then you can tap here right bottom corner of your screen. It's a my space. Then you can see here I got 166 credits. Simply tap here. Once you tap here, then you can see here couple of options. Credit valids 2 years, so you can see here 330, 660. So there are different options here. You can choose according to your uh, purchase value. So I'm just going to choose this one. If you choose this one, then you need to pay $12 or $30, and then simply tap on the purchase now, confirm and purchase. Then you have to give your credit and debit card, then you can continue with that. So this way actually you can create your, you can buy the credit card or credit points on Kling AI.